this is made so that it will fit with every kind, and you have this here. So you want to install it in this position, okay? Not too far, because then you're going to have a gap underneath, okay? So you want the things to be just in the beginning of the curve, okay? Like this. So I'm first driving in the screws, then I'm gonna position it, okay, and then I'm gonna be tightening it in place. Okay. I'm really open-minded. That's a joke, but okay. I won't explain. Okay, so once it's installed, okay, really easy to install. You need to check if it's moving or not. Okay, if it's moving, it's because it's not tight enough. So you're tightening it. I'm gonna put a tie wrap in the place where it won't
Interfere?
interfere. Okay.